Welcome back, guys. First off, I want to thank you so far for voting on all of the trim products, but this is just a reminder. This is your last chance to vote. I'm only going to leave this up for about another 2 or 3 days, and then I'm going to go and order all of the final products. So you can see that this is the poll that I have so far, and there's obviously several standouts. I'm going to take the top 20, maybe 22 or so products, and we will proceed from there for testing them, hopefully starting December 1st, getting things rolling. So if you have not voted yet, click the link in the video description and go vote. You can vote for as few or as many as you'd like. You can see here are the top 22. Looks like I have Griot's trim wipes on there twice. I didn't realize that, but you guys definitely want to see that. So again, let me know, and if there are any that are not listed here, let me know in the comments too. I'll include it in a future test. Obviously, there's a lot of interest in this, so I may end up doing a second test later in a few months. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.